morning, guys! Good morning, mga langga! Hello! Today is the last day namin dito sa hotel because we're checking out and we're going to the province. We just got back from our breakfast downstairs. So what I'm gonna do before we leave, mag-room tour muna po tayo. I will do the room tour. So, and then after that, we'll get everything, make sure everything is ready, and then we are going to the port sa pier po para to catch the yung ferry. Okay guys, i-room tour ko na kayo. Obviously, let's just start it here na lang sa may pintuan. I'm not gonna go start at sa labas. So dito na lang. Anyway, so pagpasok mo, obviously open mo to, itatap mo yung kanyang card, tapos ilalagay mo yung card na isa dito. In that way, para mag-on yung power. So, ganun siya. Then, after that, mag-ano na siya. So, pagpasok mo, dito sa left, pakita ko. Sa pagpasok mo, guys, ang nasa left side is may cabinet siya. Wala na yung mga gamit namin kasi niligpit na. So, ayan siya. May cabinet, may plancha, merong board ng plancha, tapos may sleepers. Dalawa yan lagi. Si daddy hindi niya ginamit yung kanya, sa akin ginamit ko. So, yan siya. Okay. Tapos, dito sa right side naman is yung bathroom. So, ayan. So, ayan. So, ayan yung shower. Obviously, pag hotel naman, may hot water yan, automatic. So, yung water, wala siya yung parang nare-regulate. Yan talaga, automatic lumalabas dyan is hot water. Basta ilalagay mo lang kung saan yung hot and yung cold na water. Tapos, yung meron silang provided na toiletries. Ayan, meron silang bath soap. Ayan. Tapos, meron silang conditioner at shampoo, which is obviously hindi namin ginamit kasi may dala kami. So, and then, tapos, ayan, kino-close lang yan siya. Nang ganun. Ganyan. Tapos, eto yung sink niya, which is reasonable. Yung laki, maganda siya. And then, they provide yung glass din para sa, di ba, may mga taong para to toothbrush, they prepare like that. Tapos, nilipid ko na iba namin toiletries. Kay daddy nilang natira. And then, as I says, they provided toiletries. May lotion, may shower cap, sanitary bag, and then yung vanity, yung face and nail care. Tapos may toothbrush din silang pino-provide. Tsaka may toothpaste sa loob. Hindi na namin ginalaw. Kasi may mga dala kami. So, alam mo yun. Tapos, ayan, they provided towel, may hair dryer. Yan, obviously. So, tapos dito guys, meron din silang, just in case it's an emergency, pwede kang tumawag. Halimbawa, nandito ka, let's say, nadumi ka, tapos you didn't realize wala ng paper towel, or you're simply not feeling good and you can't get up, whatever is emergency, pwede kang tumawag ng operator. You just have to press and somebody's gonna come over and get you whatever you needed. Tapos, syempre, yung pinto, lalabas ka. Tapos, dito naman, continuous. Dito, pwede rin may lagayan ka din kung whatever you need. Tapos, meron silang safety deposit box. So, maglalagay ka lang ng code mo dyan. Tinanggal na namin yung mga gamit namin dyan. Tapos, dito, ayan, yung malaking mirror. Masyado siyang malaki. And then, pag diretso mo naman, is meron ditong lagayan ng mga gamit mo. Actually, nahi-stretch ito eh. Pwede nga siyang higaan. So, pero usually dyan nilalagay yung mga gamit nila paglagyan. Tapos, ayan, malaki yung bed, guys. So, 3 kami dyan. Kasya kami ni Jonathan, ni Daddy. Malaki pa nga. Tapos, yan, ganyan. So, kung gusto mo nang matulog, yung isa ayaw pa, may sariling ilawan dyan. And then, meron ditong TV, flat screen. Tapos, ito connecting door to. Let's say, family kayo, big family. So, yung next door, pwedeng yung family member nyo, tapos madadaanan dito. But since kami lang naman tatlo, wala namang ganun. So, nilock nila yan. So, ayan. Tapos, ito is fridge. So, puno ng laman yan, guys. Pinag-iinom na ni Daddy yung karamihan dyan. Which is, ang mahal. Sinabi ko, wag na. Bibili na lang ako. Kasi malapit lang kami sa SM. Ayaw niya, nagagalit siya. So, kasi yung bayad niya, kino-convert niya sa dollar. So, medyo mura pag sa dollar. Ako naman, puro peso. Kaya namamahalan ako. Pero, ayaw niya makinig. So, ayan. Ayan, guys. Fridge yan. Pwede ka rin maglagay ng gamit mo. Tapos, ito pa, yung mga provided nilang mga condiments. Tapos, yan, ito din, may bayad din yan, guys. Lahat yan may bayad. Tapos, ito, kung kailangan mo ng extra na glasses, cups and mugs, or utensils, meron sila. Tapos, actually, dito to nakaslagay. Ito yung mga presyo. Ayan, yan yung mga presyo pag uminom ka. So, tapos, ito table, personal table, punong-puno kami ng basura kasi si Jonathan, namili kami ng mga laruan ni Jonathan, konting shopping, ganun. And then, ito din, yan, pwede rin higaan. Actually, nahiga ako ng first night ko dyan kasi ang likod ni Jonathan, sinisipa ako. Tapos kung, ano naman, kasyang-kasya ako dyan, guys. Tapos, kung gusto mo pa rin may ilaw sarili, habang natutulog silang madilim, pwede rin, you just turn that lights on. And then, ayan, so this is a desk table. So, may sarili din siyang lights. Tapos, maraming saksakan. Ito yung, ginagamit ko to kasi pag naghugas ako ng dede ni Jonathan, binabanlawan ko rin ng boiled water. So, ayan. Tapos, eto, ang pinakamaganda rito is the view. Ayan, maganda siya. Malapit kami sa may pier or port. Dagat na yan, guys. Dagat. Tapos, you can see the traffic there. At yan yung front ng, tawag dito, ng hotel. Yan yung main gate nila. Tapos, super lapit kami sa SM, guys. Ayan na yung SM. Ayan, SM yan. SM na yan. So, as in katabi lang kami. Katabi lang. Lalakarin mo lang, tatawid ka lang, SM na. So, ayan. So, every night, tumitingin ako dito. Ayan ang bridge, guys. Ayan ang bridge sa Cebu. Ayan siya. All the way there. Pag ganun. So, ayan. Ganun lang. Tapos, paggabi, sasara mo itong dalawang kortina. Tapos, yung isa, to make sure na it's dark and you can sleep better. So, that's it, guys.
That's it.
And, ayan. Maluwag siya. Spacious, actually. I like it. So, and that's my dearest husband. Oh, yeah. So handsome. Liwat.
She's lying to you guys.
No, he's so handsome. And that's where Jonathan gets his looks. From Daddy. So,
Laying down.
Jonathan is laying down. He says he's tired. Anyway, guys, we are checking out. My husband, si Greg, nandun na siya. Mag-check out na. Tapos, i-check muna nila kasi yung room just to make sure everything is still in place. Andun pa rin yung mga aning-aning. And obviously, they have to count yung mga nagamit namin sa kwarto. Yung mga drinks, yung food, yung mga beverages na nandoon. So, para ma-charge yun kay Dad. So, then after here, we're going to the port sa may pier. And we're gonna catch a ferry on the way to Hilongos. So, yep. And we'll be reunited with our family there. At Macrohan, Southern Leyte. Nandito kami ngayon sa lobby. Nantay namin si Daddy. Ayun yung asawa ko, nasa counter. naka-red shirt. Tapos merong lady na naka-dress. I don't know, parang This is where we're staying in a cabin. It's a 6-bed cabin. May sariling may sariling toilet. Tapos may sarili kang charger over there. So ayan, pretty much ganyan. Tapos may sarili kang pintuan. So it so happen na tatlo lang kami ni Daddy at saka ni Jonathan nag-occupied right now. So parang sarili namin yung room.